In this lecture, let us take one more example for the script arithmetic problem. And this is the most familiar example. There is 10 plus more equal to money. So as the number of letters in send and more, they are less compared to this money. So we need a carry here, right? So for this extra alphabet or for extra letter, we need a carry. So take 1. So now m value becomes 1. And now we need to start assigning the digits to letters. So let us take the largest now digit. So largest digit is 9. So let us assign 9 to S. So now if you add both the values, 9 plus 1, it gives you 10. So 10 means we are getting carry. So this is fine. So you can use this. So O value becomes 0 now. Next, take E. So here assign next largest value. So first let us assign these digits to the letters which we considered till now. So M means 1. For O assign 0. For S assign 9. Okay. Now next largest number is 8. So if you take 8 here, so we already got O value which is 0. So 8 plus 0 gives you 8 only, but E, this 8 is already assigned to E, so we can't assign same number to one more alphabet. So in that case, so here we need to take a carry. So if you take a carry here, 8 plus 1, that gives you 9, but 9 is also already assigned to alphabet S. So you can't take either 8 or 9 now. So it's not, so you should not take 8 here for E. Instead of 8, let us take 7. Now check this. 7 plus 0, 7. So that is not possible. So 7 plus carry. You need a carry here. 7 plus 1 gives you 8. Right? So 8 is assigned to N and 7 is assigned to E. So take 7 here for E. Now after adding these two values, you should get 7. Okay. So take 8 for N. And what is the next largest value? It is 6. So if you add 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6 gives you 14. But here we need 7. Say suppose if you take carry, then also 8 plus 7 gives you 15. But here we need 17. So we should not assign n to 8 to n. So that is not a right choice. So in order to avoid that again, instead of taking 7 to E, instead of assigning 7 to E, we need, let us assign 6. So if you assign 6, 6 plus 1, it gives you 7. So try that option. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, here, assign 7 to N. So let us assign 6 to E. 7 to N. So now, 6 is already assigned. So take the largest number 8 and assume that 8 is assigned to R now. Okay. Now 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Right? So here E value is taken as 6. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 1 gives you 16. So this is fine. So now 8 is assigned to R. Now let us move here. Move to move to D. So assign 6 and check this value. So here D value. So next largest number is 5. So if you take 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6 is 11. So even though we got carry here, we can't assign 1 to y as 1 was already assigned to m. So let us go back, and instead of assigning 6 to e, let us try with 5. 5 plus carry, it gives you 6. And here n value becomes 6. So n is 6 now, and 5 is assigned to e. So 5 is assigned to e, and 6 is assigned to n. And now we need to take r. So this is empty. So if you assign largest number 8, so now try this. 6 plus 8, it gives you 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we got the correct value because e value is 5, right? So we need a carry before. So this addition gives you the right result. 6 plus 8 gives you 15. 6 plus 8 plus 1 gives you 15. Yes. After this, now e value is 5. So you need to assign one largest number to d. So the available largest number is 7. So instead of taking 5, let us assign 7 to d. So 7 plus 5. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 is not assigned to any digit till now. So you can proceed with this. Assign 2 to y, and we already took carry before. So this result is correct. So here assign 2 to d. So this is the final result. So we got all the values which are assigned to different. So here we assign different digits to different letters. And this is the final result.